Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your data with DocuSign, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your data with DocuSign, begin by creating a DocuSign account. Visit the DocuSign website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Check your email for a verification link and click it to activate your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Next, navigate to the Settings menu. In Settings, focus on the Security section. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Set your document visibility preferences according to your privacy needs. To ensure secure document sharing, familiarize yourself with the envelope feature. When preparing a document for signing, upload your file and add recipient details. Set signing order if multiple parties are involved. Choose advanced options to add necessary security features like passwords or access codes. Review the authentication method to select how recipients will verify their identity. After finalizing settings, click Send to share the document securely. Monitor the status of your sent documents in the Manage section. Once completed, download signed documents directly from the platform. Regularly review your security settings and update them as needed. Ensure software updates for your devices are installed to maintain security. Stay informed about DocuSign's latest security features and best practices. Following these steps will help you protect your data effectively with DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.